Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing a Nail Reserve LA unboxing and swatching. My code is up on the screen, but it'll also be in the description with a link in case you're interested in shopping their site, which I highly recommend. So I was able to choose 5 polishes, and I opened the box upside down, of course, but right here I'm just pulling them out, quickly showing you them, and then we're going to get to the swatching and making a nail set, which I'm super excited how it turned out. So I just pulled out my 5 and we're gonna get straight into it right now. So this one is electric yellow, which I was so excited when I saw this. It's so beautiful, so smooth, and all these swatches I always just do one coat so you can see what it looks like, and this does glow in the UV nail lamp. This would be so beautiful, I think, for a summer like pedicure. Oh my god, like I'm really tempted to do that on my toes. So yes, these you only have to cure for 30 seconds, which is really nice. They're super smooth, they smell really good as always. These Nail Reserve LA polishes are cruelty vegan free, and they're 9 free formula of harmful chemicals and other bad stuff that are in other gels. And just another thing that I love about these are that the bottles are black, they're 15 mLs, and they're just really beautiful packaging. This one right here is Endless Nights, which is a blue glitter. We're doing a glitter overload here. I had to pick 4 glitter shades because I just couldn't help myself. Hopefully next time, if they continue to work with me, I'm gonna get some more just like basic colors, and look how beautiful that is. Later on in the video I do end up with a set of nails on, and it is that one that I use, the blue glitter. And this one right here is Starlight, which is so beautiful. It's got like a very sheer milky base, and it's just got so many different colors of glitter. I can't wait to use this one. It's so beautiful. It's like fiery glitter specks, so pretty. And again, just one coat, but if you do more, it'll obviously build up the milky see-through base a little bit more. If you want that, this would also be a beautiful topper shade, in my opinion. Look at that. I love it so much. I show them to you again after I cure them, just so you know. And then this one right here is Dare to Shine. It's another super beautiful glittery shade. It's more chunky, but it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's like diamonds. Like, stop. These are so beautiful. I'm so glad with the choices that I made. And again, thank you so much for Nail Reserve for sending these to me to try out, because I love your gels so much. They're definitely a top favorite. This one's so pretty. It's got like gold and silver aspects to it, which I really like, because I personally like gold and silver mixed together. I think it looks really good. And the last one we have here is Not Ashamed, which is a gold glittery shade as well, of course. So this one is, I think, my favorite out of the bunch, other than that electric yellow shade. I don't know, there's something about this one. I just love it so much. I love all glitter gel polishes, so I just could not help myself. And again, I'll have a link and my code down in the description as well if you're interested. My code HayleyMarie will get you 50% off of 2 items from their site, which is a really good deal. Look how beautiful that is. One coat, stop it right now. And again, only 30-second cure time. So I'm just going to give you a quick another look at these right here, and then we're going to get into the press-on nail set, which I'm really excited to show you guys. It's so easy. I do have an inspiration pic that I'm going to show you, and I took inspiration off of it, obviously, and I think they turn out really cute. So yeah. So this right here is my inspo pic I found on Pinterest. It's absolutely perfect for the colors I'm choosing out of what I picked. These tips I already pre-buffed and etched the inside. These are long coffins from Temu. I've used them before in a tutorial, I believe, and they're really good. I love these nails so much. So I'm just attaching them to my nail stands right now. I prefer to use putty. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into the design, which is super easy, and this was so fast to do. So what I decided to go with was this Sea Swing and Sun for my base color. It's a perfect milky beige nude, and this nude is so nice. It's my absolute favorite. It works for my skin tone, and I'm pretty light, and I can see it working for tons of different skin tones. So I'm just going to try and do as even a coat as I possibly can, and we're just going to need one coat here, and then we're going to cure for 30 seconds when I'm done with all the nails. This nude color I had chosen from Nail Reserve LA in one of my, I believe maybe my first package, so I just pulled this one out because I thought it would look perfect for what we were going for. And yeah, this set is so easy to recreate. Honestly, like, I can't believe how quick I was able to do this. So the other colors that I chose were, I'm going to be using the electric yellow, and I'm also going to be using one of the glitter colors. I don't remember what it is right now while I'm doing this voiceover, but I will say it once we pull that out and get going. So all you're gonna need is an ombre brush, or if you don't have one, you don't necessarily need one. Like, you can grab any old like eyeshadow brush that you may have, which I've done before to easily do like an ombre effect. It's really not hard. Or you can use a sponge as well, and I just have a gem picker, and I'm gonna be using some ABS crystals that I also got from Temu just to add to a couple of the nails, just for some little extra sparkle, which I feel like is always needed. This set is so perfect for summer. I can't wait to wear these. I'm super excited for you to see how they turn out, and I can't wait for you to see how the electric yellow looks. It's gonna be one of my favorite colors. I know it already. So we're gonna take that right now. The base coat is cured, and I'm just going to start adding some to, I believe, 3 of the nails. This one I'm going to do an ombre on, and I'm also only using one coat of this electric yellow. So I'm just putting it where I think I want it. And then I am taking first, which is not necessary, on the other nail I don't do this. I'm just kind of softening up the edge with this little brush from Savvyland. But I wanted to show you that you don't need an ombre brush, but it does definitely make it easy. Very, very easy. I'm just lightly tapping, lightly softening up the edges and dragging it down until I'm happy with the effect that I got, and then I'm gonna cure. Yeah, it's so easy, guys. And this yellow is so nice to work with, and I definitely recommend checking out Nail Reserve if you haven't, and if you've been wanting to. I'm always just so not surprised, just so happy with their gels. They are top notch for sure. So as that one's curing, I'm moving on to the pinky, and I'm going to do the same thing with that one. And I'm just going to put some on, try and make it even. As you can see, it's super opaque with just one coat, which I really love, because doing extra coats is just super annoying, and if you don't have to, I love that. So I go straight in with the ombre brush. This one is from Temu. I don't remember if I said that. And just soften it up and drag it down, and you'll be good to go. Like, I had absolutely no problems, no struggles with this, and I am not like, I have not perfected like the ombre or anything like that, but if I can do it, you can do it too. So yeah, and then I'm going to cure that one as well. So now I'm just going to move on to doing the middle finger, which is also going to have a little green aspect to it. I'm just going to put some on, and then we're going to use the next color on this one as well as kind of like a little gradient glitter effect. I do something different on the other middle finger, but I did film the other hand off camera. I just kind of freestyled there for a second, but it's really super simple. So I can't imagine anyone having a problem with recreating this set if you were interested. And if you're still watching, comment me down below some green heart emojis and maybe like a sun emoji. How about that? So I know that you were here watching. So I'm just going to do that there. Very simple, very quick. Cure that, and then we're going to move on. So I am going to take the shade Not Ashamed, which is my second favorite color out of this package, the green, and this one. That's why I used them. So yeah, I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to freehand a super quick little glitter French tip. I'm going to do this on this finger and the ring finger as well, And this is really easy to do. Just keep checking it and try and make sure you're as even as possible. I am no French tip master, but I still think they turned out pretty good. And again, I'm only doing one coat with this as well, so that's amazing. I love that. Just such a time saver. And I'm just going to keep going until I'm happy with it, and then I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds as well.